Every man walking this earth has a war, but not every war is the same.
A bunch of minor
Some men
birds on
fight
the
for comfort.
Very
Some
cool.
men
Wait, how
fight
many
for
are there?
status. Some men fight battles so small they'll be forgotten by next
Hello
week.
everyone.
But
Welcome
you were
to
handed
episode
something
139
different.
of the castle. Alright, here we go. We got this side, and then this is what it looks like from the outside. I got a pile of stones, and then all the little stick. Oh my goodness, it looks ugly. That is so very ugly. It looks like a bird with zero experience got contracted to make a nest for someone else and then just gave up halfway. But eventually, I'll hopefully log some nice little flat stones on the outsides and sort of wedge them in the sticks so it looks nice and castle-y as opposed to gross and stick nesty. Out, so we're going to get as many of the big ones as we can while we've got access. It'll probably be for another conceivable number of minutes, I'm not sure how many. Right, we've got our first load of sticks for the day.
Sunrise creeping on a sleepy town. Another Monday morning, putting my defenses down. Coffee black and strong, just like my will. Got a mountain to climb, a new quota to fill. But something's different now, a quiet hum somehow. Accidents happen, but they happen less now to me. You poke the bear, honey, now you pay the fee.
Right, we got another load of sticks.
Yeah, you poke the bear, rumble deep inside. Now you pay the fee. Nowhere left to hide. Used to trip on air, used to spill my drink, used to say the wrong thing, never stopped to think. Heart on my sleeve, a target for every dart. Now my armor shining, a brand new work of art. No more silly slips, just steady no one know if they are his, but he quilled them on the page, and they go like this. Lovely sunsets with the warm red light, fire in my heart and it still shines bright. Spark in my core, you can't put it out. You could try to hide it, but it will burn you out. They isolated me, took away all that I had, so I will build an army and take it all back. Send in special forces and they all mega fail. Show us is a lot and you can't pay your bail. Field marshal driller, no fun being a killer. They spend their whole life on the run like the Millers, hunted by the ghosts of the ones they terminated. Rather be a fisherman than be a cursed terminator. Buzzy, buzzy bee, zoom around me. Buzzy, buzzy bee, is she caged or is she free? Buzzy, buzzy bee, have you any free will? Buzzy, buzzy bee, yes, but all blocked by that fake bill. Buzzy, buzzy bee, I could go for some honey.
Alrighty,
buzzy, buzzy bee,
I made the nest a little bit taller and I moved all the sticks from here to here so I can build this side
Police
up.
and toy soldiers,
Now,
generals play their cards. Another human life that they easily discard. They might try to kill me and they might succeed, but I will come back until every last one kneels. 3 little pigs on a triangle payroll, souls all snared, Illuminati maypole. Delta Force assassins and zombies on a leash, adrenaline junkies with gore as their feast. Selectively bred, mind control fed, cartoon propaganda voice to skull in your head. But don't ever worry, that's just what they want. Smile through the pain and create your own fun. You can be a dreamer, swallow up the seabed, eat the whole galaxy. No one is gonna see it. Buzzy, buzzy bee, zoom around me. Buzzy, buzzy bee, is she caged or is she free? Buzzy, buzzy bee, have you any free will? Buzzy, buzzy bee, yes, but all blocked by the fake pill.
I made a pull-up bar. Let's see how many pull-ups I can do with this small break.
Buzzy bees don't need silly money.
Right, so my plan is to move all the big long sticks on the central pile into a neat little extrusion here where I can sort of keep some of the longer ones that are in my way while I work on the central tower, and I can bring them back in once I've moved up a bit and added some more material.
Carrying a log on my shoulders for a mile, then I put it down, have a rest for a while. Marshmallows and I whip up some ambrosia, then I read 16 books just this afternoon. Water's coming in and it's up to my waist. Punch these stones until they turn into paste. Rusted iron pipes and I grip them hard, drive them into stone with my raw bare palms. My crown fell apart too, I put it back together, fused all of the pieces that I got from the nether, Ars Geisha, and both keys of Solomon.
Alright, we've got a little temporary wood storage pile with the majority of the load on the main tower and trying a little bit of extruding just because
whole technology they think is new, actually it's
now,
really old. Deus ex machina, AI happened in Rome. Give me a blank page and I'll turn it to an ancient tome. I'm in all the salty water, evil spirits, they get exercise. Accidental side effect, I just wanted exercise. And leave my silly name, no, don't you wear it out in your angry group chat. Get my name out of your mouth. I'm playing Storm the House, I'm playing Age of Empires, I'm playing Minecraft chess, but it's in real life. I'm playing Bloons Tower Defense, I'm playing Just Cause 2. I'm playing Dollar Cents and some Planet Side 2. I'm playing Assassin's Creed, I'm playing Fortnite, I'm playing Overwatch, now use your foresight. I'm playing Watch Dogs 5, I'm playing Halo 2. I'm playing Space Engineers, I made a crossbow bolt. Dallas life is a game, but there is no controller. The game is NTNT, endless game will not roll over. I'm playing Tetris, I'm playing Angry Birds, I'm playing Lego Batman, inventing Omniverse. The game's a practice, now let's put them to the test. Face the final boss after completing all side quests. Plate mail on, climb up my pile of stones, a bowl of fresh ambrosia, a salmon snack that's cold. Under a shiny rainbow, I'm swimming with my crown, chilling in Cathedral Cove, swim to the rock and around. Walk through the archway, collect my drop supplies. I take a sleepy nap under the starry skies. The moon is full and bright, it makes the water shine. The sea is mist, so super salty, tasty brine. A yummy fresh potato baked with small yummy cheese, grape juice and soup tomato. I fall asleep with ease. My life's a fantasy because I made it so. I had a little help, so thanks so much to all. I made a dark end deal, I made it with myself.
coast wall with wind insulation on all sides. Got my little stash of arrows and my lovely beachside view.
I'm playing Halo 2, I'm playing Space Engineers, I made a crossbow boom. Stanley's life is a game, but there is no controller. The game is sentient, endless game will not roll over. I'm playing Tetris, I'm playing Angry Birds, I'm playing Lego Batman, Event, and Omniverse. The games were practice.
139, I think. We successfully made pile of stones. And it's, by measurement, it's up to my chest. The wall is up to my chest, and then the rest is above the sea level. So it's a little bit of a start. Alright, here we go. We got this side, and then this is what it looks like from the outside. I got a pile of stones, and then all the little stick. Oh my goodness, that looks ugly. That is so very ugly. It looks like a bird with zero experience got contracted to make a nest for someone else and then just gave up halfway. But eventually, hopefully log some nice little flat stones into the outsides and sort of wedge them in the sticks so it looks nice and castle as opposed to gross and stick nasty.
I'm the page that can't burn, I'm the line that can't break. Every eye in the room gets a blink, that's the state. I don't bow, I don't fold, I don't sell my own skull. If the state watch my silence, then the whole block goes full. You can watch my shadow, you can map my room, but you can't handcuff thunder, you can't jail the loom. I got fire in the marrow, got a riot in my name. When they come for the thinking, I come back the same. By any means necessary. By any means. By any means necessary. I'm not what you dream. Don't crime, don't crime. You can't police my mind. Don't crime, don't crime. I'm the breaking of the line. By any means necessary. By any means I rise from the papers and I win in the scenes. If they write me as a warning, I'll erase their ink. Put a boot on the room and make the loud ones think. I'm the thorn in the grammar, I'm the crack in the law. I'm the cough in the chamber that they all never saw. You can build your tall towers, you can stamp your decree. Still a cracked open window looks a lot like me. I was born with a question and a fistful of light. When the whole room is sleeping, I'm the cut in the night. You can cage the wording, you can close the gate, but the truth keeps moving and it never comes late. I got teeth in my conscience, I got scars in my frame. When they come for the future, I